In this video, I'm going to be explaining about board setup for survey design drawing. For survey design, so I'll be making use of Autocad. The first thing you have to do is to open your Autocad file. So I've already opened this Autocad file for the survey design drawing. So I'm going to be explaining the setup, board setup. And the first thing you have to do is, after opening the AutoCAD software, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and click on format. Then after clicking on format, then you go to units. You click on units, so which I've already done. I've already clicked on units. You can see drawing units. Then the next thing to do is to go ahead and you work on the length before the angle setup. So the length setup, or you can work on the angle setup before the length. So the length setup, you have type decimal, so you're not going to change it to anything. So you're still going to leave it at decimal. This one is architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. So you go ahead and leave it at the decimal type. Then the next thing you have to do is to go to precision. You can see precision there. Then the precision should be at 3 decimal places. So this one is 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, then this is third, 3 decimal places. This one is 0.0, that's 1 decimal place, 0.00, 2 decimal place, 0.000, that's 3 decimal place. The length precision should be in 3 decimal place. So I'll go ahead and click on the 3 decimal place, which is this very one. You click on it, so it's already on 3 decimal place, 0.00003 places. So the next thing is, before I go to angles, I'll have to go to insertion scale. The unit to scale inserted content then is in inches here. So for your drawing of your survey, the unit is in meters. So there are so many units here. So I'll go ahead and look for meters and then click on it. So inches, then I'll look for meters. So it's already on meters. This is meters. This meters, it's written here. So I'll go ahead and click on meters. It's already in meters. The unit to scale is now in meters. Then next thing is the angle type. Now we have decimal degrees here. We have degree, minute, seconds. We have grades. We have radians and surveyor's unit. So for the angle of your survey design, is the angle type is in degree, minute, seconds. Degree, minute, seconds. So this degree, minute and seconds. These DEG is abbreviated. Then in minute, MIN. Then SEC, that's seconds. So it was abbreviated as DEG/MIN/SEC. So which is degree, minute, and seconds. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Degree, minute, seconds, click on it. That's the angle type. Then the next one is the precision of the angle. Degree, minute, seconds. So we go ahead and click on it. The precision. So you can see 0, that's the degree. Then 0 degree. Then minute, that's 00. Then on top of it, there's an apostrophe on top. That's it becomes 0D, that's the degree. 00 is the minute. So the next one is 0D, 00, that's minute. Then the next 00 is the seconds. So which is degree, minute, seconds. Then go ahead and click on it. Then next step is the angle type should be in clockwise direction. Then go ahead and click on clockwise. So I already click on clockwise direction for this very one. Then the next thing to do is you have to go to the next step. Next you have to click on, sorry for that, you have to click on the next step, the next one. So we've already done that of the length, which is in degree, then precision, 3 decimal places, the precision of the length, then the unit insertion scale unit is in meters, then the angle is in degree, minutes, seconds, then the precision of the angle, degree, minutes, seconds, which is this, then it should be in clockwise direction. Survey design is in clockwise direction. Then the next thing to do is to go to direction. So this is the direction, you click on it. There are also some settings that I want to do there. Then you click on the direction to bring out some details. That direction control, that's the clockwise direction, then the control of it. That's what this part is trying to say. Then now it's saying that base angle, you can see east there, you can see north there, west, south, and other. So survey drawing is always starting from north. It always starts from north. The direction control, that's talking about the starting point of your survey drawing. Survey drawings, the anything that has to do with angular direction, it has to do, it starts from north. So you go ahead and base angle starts from north, then click on north. So the highlight is now on north instead of east. So if you click on east, it will be very, very wrong. You start from north, then click on north. Then after doing that, next step is to click on OK. Click on OK. So it has already shown that the direction of the clockwise direction is starting from north. Direction starts from north. So if I click on it again now, you can see that the direction control is in north. Then OK. So then after doing that, the next step is, that's all. Then you click on OK. You OK it. So since you've already OK it, shows that that setup that you have done is already reflected on the page, on the software, that's on this very page. If you open another one, they have to do another setup. So for your survey drawing, let me just explain this briefly. You can make use of line. You can make use of line. Click on line. Don't know if you can see. Then click on line. Then start clicking on line. Then you start imputing your values for your coordinates. Or you can also make use of polyline. Polyline. So the reason for making use of, you can make use of line or polyline. You can click on polyline, then you start imputing in your value as well. The reason for making use of, well, the difference between making use of polyline and making use of line is that when you make use of line, after you are done with imputing your coordinates, then you have individual lines that are not joined together. But if you make use of polyline, as you click on individual line, the whole line will be connected together. So that's just the difference. You can either make use of line, then put in your coordinates, or you can make use of polyline. So now we're already done with the setup of this board. Then if I have any drawing that I want to, any survey drawing that I want to plot, I can make use of this very board because I'm already done with the setup. So if I decide to not use this board again and go ahead and close it without saving, if I want to save it, I can go ahead and save it and have the file whenever I want to work, do my survey design for this very particular, for this drawing. But you cannot do your survey design that you have more than one design on one page, on one file. I don't think it's advisable to do that. So if you want to draw another one, you can open another page, then do another setup. But if you can be able to do it that way, it's still okay. As long as it's not that same position, you still have your work there. So let me just close this one. I don't want to save it. Then open another page. Open another page. So next thing is you have to do another setup. Then when you are done with setup, you can be able to start your drawing on it. Please subscribe, comment, give this video a thumbs up, and share with other people that are interested in survey plan design, board setup. See you in another video. Bye.